What if I told you your mechanic has a secret weapon they'd rather you not know about? And what if I told you it's probably sitting in your garage right now? We're about to pull back the curtain on surprising car hacks using plain old WD-40 that could save you a fortune on repairs. We're starting with something big, reviving dead spark plugs. Forget paying for pricey diagnostics on simple fixes. What a shop might charge you hundreds for, you can often solve for the cost of one blue and yellow can. Trick 1. Revive dead or fouled spark plugs. Let's kick things off with a trick that can save you from a needless $100 spark plug replacement. If your engine is misfiring or just feels off, you might have a fouled plug. A mechanic will almost always say to replace them, but often they just need a good cleaning. All you have to do is pull the plugs out with a socket wrench. If the tips are caked in black carbon or oily grime, don't toss them. Just give them a direct spray of WD-40 and let it dissolve all that gunk. Wipe them clean with a rag or a light wire brush. Now this is critical. Make sure every bit of the WD-40 is cleaned off before they go back in. Another common issue is water getting into the spark plug wells after a car wash, causing a misfire. Just pop the long red straw on the can and spray down into the well. WD-40's original job was water displacement. It literally shoves water out of the way, restoring the electrical connection and getting your engine running smoothly again. Trick 2. Free the most stubborn rusted bolts. Ever get a quote for an exhaust or suspension job and the labor cost made your jaw drop? A huge chunk of that bill is just the time they spend fighting with rusted, seized bolts. They'll talk about torches and special tools, but their first line of defense is often just a good penetrating oil. For bolts that have been fused by years of rust, soak them completely with WD-40. If you can, let it sit overnight. The formula is designed to creep deep into the threads and break the rust's death grip. After it's had time to soak, give the bolt head a few solid taps with a hammer. That vibration helps the oil work its way in even deeper. Now, put a wrench on it. You'll be shocked at how easily that impossible bolt breaks free, without you snapping the head off in frustration. This trick alone can turn a nightmare job into a weekend win. Trick 3. Instantly diagnose a squeaky belt. That high-pitched squeal your car makes on startup isn't just embarrassing, it's a cry for help. But what's the problem? Is it just a dry, worn belt? Or is it a failing pulley bearing, which is a much more expensive fix? Before you go to a shop that might sell you a repair you don't need, use WD-40 as a 2-second diagnostic tool. With the engine running and standing well clear of any moving parts, give the ribbed side of the belt a very quick, tiny spray. If the noise vanishes instantly, the problem is just a glazed or dirty belt. If the squeal continues, you're likely looking at a bad pulley or tensioner. Now listen, this is not a fix. I repeat, do not leave the oil on there. It will cause the belt to slip and fall apart. This is purely a quick test to figure out what's wrong, so you don't get taken for a ride. Trick 4. Restore cloudy headlights in seconds. Cloudy yellow headlights aren't just ugly, they can slash your nighttime visibility in half. Instead of buying expensive restoration kits or paying a detailer, grab your can of WD-40. First, wash the headlight with soap and water and dry it off. Then spray a little WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth and start buffing the lens in a circular motion. The hazy oxidation will seem to wipe right off, leaving the plastic surprisingly clear. This is a trick shops sometimes use to make a car look newer right before a customer picks it up. Keep in mind, this is a temporary fix. It'll probably last a few weeks, but for a quick safety inspection pass or to make your car look sharp before selling it, this hack is a game changer. Trick 5. Unstick frozen locks and doors. Have you ever been locked out of your car in the dead of winter because the lock was a block of ice? Don't even think about pouring hot water on it. That just refreezes and makes things worse. The easy solution is to stick the red straw into the keyhole and give it a quick spray of WD-40. It displaces the moisture and melts the ice almost instantly, letting your key slide in and turn. You can even use this proactively. Give your door locks and rubber seals a light spray in the fall to stop them from freezing shut in the first place. So, how many of these did you already know? Be honest. If even one of these tricks helps you avoid a headache or a bill from the mechanic, do us a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. We've got more secrets the pros don't want you to know. So there you have it. That humble can of WD-40 is way more than just a squeak stopper. It's a diagnostic tool, a cleaner, and a first aid kit for your car that can tackle dozens of common problems. Knowing how to use it and when is the key to saving money and feeling more confident about your ride. Now, go be a smarter car owner. We'll see you next time.